Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to repost or share someone else's Instagram story on your Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to repost someone else's Instagram story, you can easily repost the story if you are tagged in it. But if you are not tagged in someone else's story, then the easiest method to repost or share your story is to use your screenshot or screen recording features on your phone. Tap open your Instagram application and open a story you want to share. If you want to repost someone else's story, then simply take a screenshot of it. Once you do that, from your home screen, tap on your story at the upper left and tap on your camera roll at the bottom left and select the picture that you just took a screenshot of. Once you do that, post it on your story like you normally would. If you want to share a video from someone else's story, simply go ahead and use any screen recording application to record an Instagram story video. Once you record your video, you can simply go and post it on your story like you normally would. That is how you can repost someone else's Instagram story on your Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.